What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, if you guys are ready to make some money tomorrow, do me a favor and let me know down in the comments below. Class will be in session today. I'm going to give you guys a play for tomorrow. Help you guys make either between $100 and $1,000. So listen, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, this money making opportunity is coming on the 15-minute time frame. We got Tesla closed today at 177.81, and after hours it is sitting at 177.24. This is how you want to do your due diligence, guys. Go through every single time frame until you find an edge. Today I'm going to teach you about this right here. They breaking down through support on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, support is this black line right here that you see. All right, you see these little candles that slowly breaching through, but more importantly, we have the crossover happening right there. So that cross down, okay, lets me know we're not bouncing off of this and headed back up unless they have a gap up in the morning because some news out of nowhere comes through. This is going to push this down. Okay, also take your eyes here, look at this gap. Okay, we gapped up today and then boom, came all the way back down, and now we're here. Okay, now we got this target as a gap fill that has to eventually be filled. This is the high level chest that you got to be on the lookout for. Okay, so listen to this, guys. Tomorrow's target, I want you guys, this is $1,000 play if you play it right. Okay, I always want to be humble and modest about these numbers. You guys can make a lot more if you know what you're doing. But okay, our target tomorrow is 174. Okay, that is our target. I want you guys to look for something along the lines of a retest of maybe 179 at the highest, no higher than 180. That should be resistance. Okay, resistance is going to be here. All right, and then boom, it should continue to fall down to support, which would be, like I said, at 174. So 177 is support, but we're losing it. The next support is 174. And then 168 is the final support. But I don't want you guys looking for 168 just yet. That might be on Thursday, okay? These are some things you want to look out for. Look at this. Triple top. 1, 2, 3. Double tops. Double tops and triple tops leads to moves down, okay? Just like if this was a triple bottom, I will be telling you guys this play is about to go up. So our target for tomorrow is 174, okay? And I want you guys to keep it simple. All right, get in anywhere from 177, 176, okay? Or if it's higher, 178, 179, that's the highest. Unless they gap up and it goes the opposite direction, I want you guys to look for a nice quick play to the downside. Okay, listen, guys, I just wanted to put that on your radar. Okay, do me a favor. It's important that I teach, but it's important I also help you guys get the confidence of a small victory. Okay, this play should go to 174 on tomorrow. Don't overstay longer than that, because listen to this, once it get to 174, it can bounce back up towards 180. Okay, so you got two plays in one. I'm just giving you the move that's got to happen first. We're not going to 180 or 184. Really, we're not going up there yet until we finish going down. When the line crossed over, when the 13 crossed the 48, you got to let that run its course until it comes back around. Only when it comes back around and crosses back up to the upside will it go back towards 180 and 184. Okay, so initial early play. So this might take, I always tell you guys I trade for 2 hours a day, so this should happen within the first by lunchtime, just to be conservative about it. Okay, by noon If market open at 9:30 Eastern time, by 12 noon, this should, and somewhere in that time period, hit 174 if we're going to test that level today or tomorrow, okay? 174 would be the target. Don't try to overstay. Don't try to hold for, oh, I'm going to hold it to the gap fill. Unless you have your stop loss on, unless you are really managing and monitoring the play, that is the only time you take it down that far. But the goal for tomorrow is a quick 174 play. After it hits that, I want you guys to do this. You then need to reassess. Say, is it going down further, or are we starting to curl back around? If we curl back around, 174 is going to be solid support. And guess what? It's going to bounce back to the upside. If you play it right, and if it does what I'm talking about, that's an opportunity to make money in both directions. If 174 fails, then it's going to fall to 168. You can just let your runners take it down to that final level, okay? Listen, guys, in this game, always remember to trade with a plan, okay? Always have a if this, then that type of scenario you want to come to the table with, all right? It helps you to be on point. Whenever I jump in a trade, I'm either saying I know that I'm scalping or I know that I'm swinging. Swinging just means I'm going to hold it a little bit longer than a quick scalp, okay? But regardless, before I even enter the trade, I'm looking at the chart saying, you know what? This type of play, I got to be in and out, because this is just it's a tight range right now. The market ain't really giving me nothing. This type of play, I can let it ride a little bit. I can let it go down $2 or $3, okay? But nevertheless, I'm coming into it with a plan, okay? And then I'm executing on that plan. And then if my plan gets abandoned, boom, we cut, we get out, we take our profits. If it ain't, even if it ain't where we want it to be, okay? This should be $1,000 play for you guys, okay? That's just at the bare minimum. $100 at the bare minimum, okay? If it happens to not go that way, there's nothing wrong with $80 or $800 or $60 or $600. You guys get what I'm trying to say? And so trade with a plan. Have a ideal scenario, what you want to see occur. Hopefully it executes as you laid it out. But in the event that it don't, you know you need to exit stage right, okay? Do me that favor, guys. Have this on deck for tomorrow in terms of your Tesla play, okay? I'll be in Discord first thing in the morning, letting you know the levels to the upside and the downside, okay? Because we could very well bounce after we hit the 174 target and head back to the upside. So I want you guys to know where it can go to the upside too, especially for my call lovers, okay? Those that like to make money in the upward direction. Around here, I'm going to look for both. I'm going to be anticipating a move back up, but I'm going to take the initial move and the ride down. Does that make sense? If that sounds like a plan, if you feel like you can take part in this, do me a favor, do it with one contract. Always buy in the money contracts, guys. So check it out, okay? You want to buy the contract that is closest to the share price, okay? So we was taking a look at this. I'll add this in here for context for you all, okay? You should be choosing for this quick play, all right? We're in and out. You should be either choosing most likely the 175 strike price, okay? And that leads you to around 189. It might not be that price in the morning. It's going to be a little higher than that. But my point is, that's around the strike you want to choose, okay? And when you do that, you take it to 174. Don't stay a penny longer, because again, it can reverse on you. Some news can come out. I just want you guys to get in the habit of understanding the assignment, executing on the assignment, and then being content with the result, okay? Timing, discipline, and patience is the key to this game, okay? So it's imperative that you guys exemplify those traits when you are getting busy in the market. All right, listen guys, I won't belabor the point. I want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing today. Phenomenal job. Okay, tomorrow is a brand new day for us to get to it. All right, so I want you to shoot for your $100 and or your $1,000 based on how many contracts you choose to play. But if you don't do anything else, just do one contract so that you can get your feet wet and see what's possible. Okay, we are traders. Okay, we are investors first. So once we get that in order, okay, then you move over to the trading side. And when we are trading, we don't care which direction the stock is going. We care about making money. All right, that's what I want you guys to understand. When you do that, you'll welcome every single day with great joy because it gives you opportunity, and that's all we ask for every day. All right, with that being said, guys, check it out. Be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Be locked, loaded, and ready to go. I'll give you fresh levels on this in pre-market real time, okay, so that you guys can make an even more pinpoint decision on this home run we're about to hit. Okay, and then make sure after that you execute and you stick to the game plan. All right, regardless guys, if you can't take part in this one, I'll continuously at least once a week give you something to help you on your journey. Okay, this game is a beautiful when done right. I just want to make sure you guys have the right tools in place to be successful. With that being said, guys, check it out. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.